how to turn off Siri on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So in order for you to turn off all of Siri's responses and suggestions, you'll have to go to settings, and in settings there is a section called Siri and search. You click on Siri and search, and over here you will have to individually turn off each one of these options which are in the blue check mark. So let's say I want to turn off listen for Hey Siri, and I have to turn off Siri for this as well. And now you cannot by yourself activate Siri, but Siri suggestions will still be on. If you want to remove or switch them off, all you have to do is just type or tap on allow notifications and make sure this option is unchecked. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All of Siri suggestions and responses are now turned off on your iPhone. Well, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.